Oh, yeah.
So guys, mose ucedile ukuyisearcha, mose uyi-edile Tibek, uyabuyela, uyayisearcha then uyaclicka, mose uyiclickile Tibek.
Okay, let's see.
Angithi uyi-edile nevisado, sizovela phansi kulist yakho. Then this list we call it ama-codes. So ukuthi bakathi check-a kuma-codes usho lama number, scroll down, then yabona-ke i-code. Then singena kuyo.
Ishapile standard bafethu.
Yeah, this is the smallest lot size. So let's see open by. This is why, guys, we're not just opening. We are sure this thing is gonna go up. So it's by. And then
Stop loss.
Yeah. Which are is a way trade. And then let's see stop loss ngasifaka ku enhle kangena ku chart sisifake maybe kuma $10.
X
Chart le brand and then I press la kuyo then I scroll good and then ufake stop loss uyayikhuphula iyehlisa so press le line le dotted le blue yeah press stop loss yabula so $3 lecela change time frame qala sifake H4 because i long term so stop loss status isifake somewhere la by the low by the start of this candle so at least we lose us isifike to be sure $10 yeah press on the arrow le confirm
$10
yeah
singaluzi singayinyusi nje kancane here
nafika ungasibeka nafika ungasibeka la ayifika avoida yabo sometimes banokenza la ile ukuthi bashaye alalasha sisibulu strength banoyenza lento le ukuthi bashaye stop loss yabo yi and then babuyele so sometimes yeah mara ungasifaka la nala ungasifaka yeah I press le line le blue press stop loss yeah sibeke khona la mufuna usifaka la khona idonsa le line le orange yeah ibeke khona la ufuna ukuluza mali nayo imali ozoyiluza so lose $6 then I press le line le arrow le yeah confirm yeah then press modify so nasi stop loss sakho 3016 done so kusho ukuthi le trade lena mingasidla sizosidla $6 so we should salela $24 kule account and then taxi vibes and check it out account yakho yeah press la
commission it's
ikanjeni 485 ya ngashaya taxi la shaya streaming zobe
bafethu
ongasolveki
ukhabu itaxi yami yokuqala ke
isikembe kwesikakhuzeki.
Let's see which one is which mfethu
ngashaya noma iliphi elinama number plate mara ya 485 then number amaletha uzothatha like oncanya
okay
Isikembe esikakhuzeki.
LG the last two numbers the last it's
485
yeah bafethu baby quantum siya edube bafethu dube la
hayi la lesiya Springbok long term
Yeah.
idube lezi ama short term tisibheke
then singayenzi take profit
take profit if I go 4,000 like another way okay guys this is how you can make the price like hold the trade so like ilbambe yeah ibambe yeah then it's modify position
Tisibheke
it's 4,000 take profit
bajengise kanjalo.
yeah sure bafethu
it's 4,000 so yeah it's modify so guys you know maybe stop loss in profit sizoshaya before this take profit so then as per yeah go chart press at
yeah
for the monthly chart because until long term I like monthly yeah yearly no I good then I take profit
good
Delete the account. Delete the account and forget you.
ngayenza 18,000
Ngabona manga delete chat Igoli yaqhubeka ikhuphuka.
igoli
Ngasha
ifika nawo
18
ngayenza
nje.
18,000
mayifika yi
yabo ayo MLG yawo mayifika igoli makuyazi maybe talk with me save kubo ma 4,000 stop loss in profit. That's why you can't delete account because
Njani delete ukhumbula 1777.
yeah okay I see delete
Yadale nje abe
ungayidelete makuyafana ungadelete then
in stop loss
hayi sengiyasho ngithi leli and then
wenze i-USD za
makasoyidelete misfocus akuleli sesiye because it at least yabo uyicheck ukuthi bayabaya yabo at least no yazi then if ngishaye that size 5
isayenzi lo
if ngishaye that size
Agijiba,
5
bro.
dollar dog makakhala ngabo bese siku -$5 or -$6
and a strip.
yeah it would have been this times 5 because lot size yabo so it's only going like this because it's 0.01 if move with lot size 0.10 it would have been -$13 so that's the important yeah
so we don't okay
this is why you use it such open
no
but yeah
Skebe musingakuzeki.
yeah so far since ngemila lesingahole level la
hold
check ale check nje ngicela yabona imali ungayicheck wena nje ubheke yumtshela ukuthi ubonani this is manje each candlestick is 1 month so
manje nasathi yami
it's we can close the trades like noma ungabheki 1 month ubheki 15 minutes it doesn't matter ukuthi i-trade yakho ithathe kuphi we are like ne-stop loss sakho ne-take profit so ungayithatha i-trade ku 15 minutes and then still hold long term ungayithatha ku-monthly and still hold for 5 minutes so yeah like i-time frame it doesn't matter it's just nje yeah
okay angafeli ke ndekisa
so yeah that's how you redeem bafethu before 4 April sela msho ivili nje before
For April for foreign affairs.
yabo TPA to give 4,000
For yonke into is about fortune.
Donald Trump ubuyile for 4 years for rain 4 years 4,000 now 4 April yonke into oh and then bafethu sikhohle ukuregister it's nami ngiloge in for leya Saturday bafethu hope ngizosijoina the next manje sithi dollar dates in Saturdays or Fridays let's try Fridays but this time siyanje Saturday nje just ngiyokubona
no I think this time sela ukuyolontuzana bafethu this Saturday we going there just for i-registration yelontuzane esikolo sase-Sandton lesibesimtshela ngaso for you to actually see ukuthi this thing is actually serious and all of that yabo so nje ever since nje sizobe sidana don't worry nje bafethu just brief you mase sifika khona and actually yabo so yeah iyechelete bafethu so lijwalo yena so zilibona lona long term kiwe anyuluwa bafethu
Abatshengisa trailer nge-00 nje. Abatshengisa trailer nge-00 ezinja only the brave
guys this omunye umuntu uzothi it's gambling you only open oh 99 ibalance I usually balance if mofake inyo like if mofake le 5 clipper bezoba ku balance le 5 clipper so let's say 0 so guys analyze ile asemfethu sokuma profit na le scale le Saturday so Saturday ingaki
29
so I check awu perfect yabo caba Saturday bazobe baringa nani your introductory journey into investment okay so it's a workshop so na ingo 9 until 12 manje uthi sabangena nje yami so yabo ama seat ay80 so kunabantu abayi20 abaregistile so
yeah
it's save
9
you start market
ngathi ngizohamba nje ngo half 9
na isakayenza ichok umfethu awu
yebo manje amakala phala sobhayikho
ayikho phela kanje mfethu
amacala yabo muyibheka kanje izo ngesingene ku website le Excel ngena la kule website Excel register vele for le Saturday I'm sure wena mongena kuzobe kusela ama